We used the example earlier of AppNexus, right? They did a presentation at AdTech London, ATS London, sorry. Yep. And big graph on the wall. This is how much we've reduced fraud in our system.
Yeah, I remember that.
And we all jokingly went, oh, AppNexus is they're admitting to running fraud in their platform for these last number of years. And that wasn't the point. The point was they were doing the right thing, for one. But number two, you've got a company of, say, 1,000 employees and you're paying wages, you're paying server bills from money.
You've scaled off of that fraudulent money.
You can't just turn it off.
Your business falls over.
Completely.